Hey, what's up, YouTube? Here I am. That's Lake Erie behind me. Not bad for a guy that had no plan and decided to just go to the Eclipse. Social media is powerful. Oh, and don't worry about my eyes because I got this 79-cent protective equipment. We're gonna go watch a 3D movie after the Eclipse. So enough of that. But anyway. Yeah, a couple things. Social media is cool. I posted that I was going to Cleveland. Who wants to come? And my big sister, big little sister, right? Is that what? Or am I your my little big? There she is, right there. Invited me with her extended family. So I'm on Lake Erie, gonna watch the totality of the eclipse here in a few minutes. So that's the good of social media. The bad of social media is, you guys remember Katrina? How people drowned because they were told to evacuate and they didn't because nobody believed them because they said it before. Well, they've got emergency evacuation routes set up here. They've got signs that say no parking. They've got, where was it? South Carolina that declared a state of, Arkansas, right? Declared a state of emergency. I mean, there's about a dozen people here, but parking lots are empty. Oh, last night at 10 o'clock, we were going to stop at Cracker Barrel, and a guy with an RV pulled in front of us, and we thought he was going to the Cracker Barrel we were going to, and Vicky's all upset because he's going to take the last space, right? That's not where he was going. But anyway, we pulled into Cracker Barrel. We were the only RV in Cracker Barrel, and that was 45 miles from the Totality. So, it's the good of social media. It got me on Lake Erie to watch the eclipse. The bad is that, man, they drum things up. They try and get you all excited about nothing. But don't. That's right. All those people were scared away because of all the hype. But I had people tell me that be careful about my eyes. I want you to know I'm in good hands. 79 cents. Oh, I got this free. Somebody else bought this and gave it to me. See y'all soon.